Look at all the pumpkins here. I found the biggest one this year. Perfect for a pie so sweet. Cutting the top off carefully. Oh, look at the seeds! This will make the best pumpkin pie ever! We spread the pumpkin pulp and sprinkle the sugar. Now we bake it until it's nice and caramelized for our pie.
Yum, 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 I love pumpkin pie. Rolling out the dough now, me oh my.
We roll the dough strips and weave them crisscross over the filling. It looks so charming, ready for baking. Logs are set, the fire's bright, baking a yummy pumpkin pie with all my might. La la la, what a wonderful pie! Can't wait to take a bite. Pumpkin pie for me and you. Sharing with friends is fun to do. Cleaning up the kitchen, humming a happy tune. Finish the pie beneath the afternoon sun. Autumn leaves are falling down, decorating the pie in our little town. So good!
Wow, yummy pie!
I love pumpkin pie. Warm apple cider. So yummy! This one has just enough sugar. I will note that for next time. The crust is perfect. Decorate the pie, hooray, hooray! It's an autumn celebration day. Don't throw the crusts away, we can make a treat today. Brush them up with sugar sweet. Pour the cider nice and slow. autumn treats for friends we know. I finished decorating the pie. Time for a perfect autumn picture. Yummy pie! Now for some spices. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Perfect! Logs are stacked and pans are clean, tidying up the autumn scene. Crunchy and delicious! I should make more of these for my friends.